Good day, I am Earl Randolph A. Luod, 20 years old from Tinago, Dawis, Bohol. Currently studying at PMI Colleges Bohol, taking the program of Bachelor's of Science in Marine Engineering, section S3MC. OSH, or Occupational Safety and Health, is crucial in my program as it teaches me to prioritize safety, identify hazards, and prevent accidents on board. This ensures a safe working environment, protects crew member, and reduce risks. PADAMS, or Prevention of Alcohol and Drug Abuse in the Maritime Sector, is vital as it addresses the risk of substance abuse in the maritime industry. It educates me on prevention strategies, promotes a healthy lifestyle, and ensures a safe and efficient working environment. This course will help me become a successful seafarer by equipping me with knowledge and skills to ensure safety and prevent accident, promote a healthy and substance-free lifestyle, demonstrate professionalism and responsibility, contribute to efficient ship operation. By mastering OSH and PADAMS, I'll be a competent, safety-conscious, and responsible seafarer ready to excel in the maritime industry.